Well, here we go. I got my forge going. I'm turning a round file. Just something to flatten out metal with body work. Might be a little late. This forge works really good. And it takes 4 heating torches. Right now I'm only using 1. Oh, that's more than a little bit hot. Yeah. Just trying to flatten it out a little bit. I've got my piece of metal on top of you look at that. That's a fire brick. It's super hot. So when I put my piece on it, because it's so thin, it gets hot from the torch and it gets radiant heat from below. So it heats up really fast. Look at that, eh? Oh, it's almost done, and I'm going to let it cool slowly, and then I'm going to heat treat it, polish it, heat treat it, put a handle on it. It'll be kind of cool, I hope. And if not, I'm learning. Never hurts to learn. Sometimes you learn the most from your mistakes.